Don't you? I'm a fool. One day, this weekend you have to go and make another hair, okay?
See the water.
Okay. It does shine water, right?
Yes, it does shine. Make I open it. Koi, please come and get me water. What?
What did you just call her? Mama, look at me. Did you just address her by her name?
Yes.
Why? Wait a minute. Your mother asked you to address her by her name? Koi, not Auntie Koi or Sister Koi. And why would you do that?
Because we're in the same age, same height.
Oh, because you are of the same height? Of course you are of the same height, but you are not of the same age. She is your senior. You need to show some respect. You consider Soporia. Ruberi isi. Also, onye Soporia isi ero yaka. You can't onye toga boy ahe or drama. It's not good. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Don't you ever do that again. Call her Sister Koi or Auntie Koi. Or you call her Auntie, don't even add her name at the end of it. Okay? You know, she's still a baby.
No
I
problem.
will teach her, okay?
Okay, no problem. That one no be problem. What is the make I bring for you, sir?
Don't worry. You have to go by yourself and take it. She's not your mate. Go, okay? Ha! You dare not call her by her name. She's not your mate.
What's going on here? Don't you think you're being too hard on this girl? Just look at the way you're shouting on her.
Really? If being hard on her will make her learn for better tomorrow, then I should.
So what did she do this time around? Because I know my daughter should hardly do anything wrong.
So you open your mouth to instruct Mama to be calling her senior by her name. And you instructed them not to call her auntie, rather Koi.
Of course, that's her name.
Like seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
What do you mean? Were you expecting my daughter, my own daughter, Mama, to call her auntie?
Of course.
Hey!
Of course. You should teach her how to do that so that when she gets outside, she will also do it to others.
Hello, come over here. Come.
Ma?
What's your name?
My name is Koi.
Your name is Koi. You've heard from the horse's mouth, Mr. Know-all. Didn't you hear her? My name is Koi. That's her name, and she should be addressed by her name.
So if her name is Koi, Mama of yesterday should address her by her name, no respect, no regard.
Of course, you should address her as one.
Who does that?
What are you talking about? It's her name, for crying out loud. What else do you want her to call her? Eh? You're talking about a house help, a maid, a housekeeper.
So if Koi walk up to you one morning and address you by your name, will you be happy?
Oh, God help me. I will use my left hand and remove all the teeth in her mouth. You dare not do such a thing now. Is she crazy? She lost it suddenly. No.
Adanya, you have to go upstairs now, okay? Ganelu, I'm going to juice in my fridge. Will you juice some mama? Daddy na them that I would go. Oh,
Mommy, I hope you're not hurt by your daddy's words. No. Do you feel hurt?
Please don't mind mommy. Go inside. Mommy is playing. Daddy is also playing. Okay. Good. Love you.
Tell the other house help to put on the cartoon for you. Sophia the first. After that one, you watch the what's it called again? Teletubbies. My kids, my everything.
Your kids, your everything.
Yes.
These workers here, to their parents, they are everything. So you have to treat them equally. I'm disappointed in you.
I am the one disappointed in you.
Oh,
Madam, make her.
Oh, no. Over here. Hey! So what are all this rubbish all over your face?
Wow. Now the makeup.
Are you asking me a question? Oh, now I get it. I asked you a question, then you return it back to me.
No, ma. Okay, now makeup.
Makeup. I know it's makeup. I am not blind. I said, what is it doing there?
Madam, now makeup, if I dey work, I know they are the wear makeup.
So why would you wear makeup under my roof?
Will you stop?
The same roof with me.
Will you stop it?
You?
Stop it! Please, my dear, you are being so harsh to these people. I don't like it. Why are you questioning her makeup? Is there anything wrong with her? Don't you like the way she's looking?
A house help under the same roof with me?
There is nothing wrong with the way she's
Why
looking.
would she make up under the same roof with me? Are you reasoning at all?
I am reasoning, my dear. Madam, please, for crying out loud, this is a young lady. She needs to look good. She needs to look attractive. Are you going to marry her?
Oh, she needs to look good. Now I get it.
Now I get it too.
Madam, I'll put something before you get on. I get her my bag. I'll put something for fire. Make her check her.
Go inside and...
Yes.
Hello? Okay. Get out.
Move this. Okay, move this.
I don't like the way you act.
So this is you. How am I treating them? Let me teach you your job. You're the head of the house. You're the head of this home. Your orders stand. Nobody thwarts it. But here you are. Everybody's riding you. You can't even talk. You're pampering everybody. Things are not done that way.
You don't teach me how to live my life. What I'm trying to tell you here is try to be reasonable. You are a mother. If your children are treated the same way, you will not be happy.
Nobody treats my children.
Oh!
What part of my grandma do you not understand? She is a house help, a housekeeper, and she's not my child. She's not my blood. So I don't care.
She's not your child.
She's not.
The same way
I can never be.
The same way our children are precious to us, so they are precious to their parents.
Then they should go back to their parents and get the respect they deserve. I am the madam of this house, and whatever thing I say stands.
You are a mother. Oro like this. You are a mother, for crying out loud. What I'm doing is supposed to be what you should do. Don't turn it upside down. Don't answer a mother and behave like a tout.
Continue. Then you will have me to contend with.
Who cares? You're just being unnecessarily wicked. That their parents allow them to come and stay with you is not a good reason for you to start maltreating them. What is it? This is the 5th maid we are bringing into this house this year. Every of them will go complaining of the same thing, and yet you don't want to change.
I'll still bring more because 5 is not enough.
Ngwan, keep on gathering maid. The time you will use to teach your own children to learn, you are using it to harass and embarrass yourself in the front of small girls in the village. I will not blame you. So many families will do the same. They will bring other people's children, they will maltreat them until they die. But their own children are so precious. I cannot sit here and watch you maltreat other people's children. You have done that before, not now that I'm in town. Otherwise, I will send them home. What a mess. If you come out, you answer your mother. If they call your mother, you should be proud to answer your mother. Your character, what you impact in others should make you a mother, and not what you say. Blah, 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 blah. Make up this, make up that. Don't call them auntie. You expect mama to start calling them by their names. Are they mates?